we're not really going to Michigan. We're going to go on a really hot hike. Backpacking trip.
Yeah, we're just going to hike with Uncle Jamie in the hot sun for 3 days.
We're joking, right?
Are we?
Yes, you are.
Alright, we're joking.
Oh, that looks like the sign. Yep, that's it.
All
this
right.
place. I like it. Looks nice and funky.
Nice and funky?
Arrived.
Hello, Manistee. Some friends of ours own beachfront property here on Lake Michigan, and they've invited us the past few years to join them for the 4th of July weekend. This is not their place. This is a cheap motel.
I feel like I want my own bed.
All right.
I paid for my own bed.
We're here.
I'm pretty happy.
Yeah, I'm happy too.
The room's clean. The people seem nice.
We're good to go.
All right, to number 17. This is the second biggest AC/DC song on the countdown. There's still one more before we hit number 1, but this one is Thunderstruck.
Yeah, that should be the number 1 song, actually.
No way.
That's my favorite song, I think.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay, help me at this point.
Help you.
Yeah, help me get to his house.
You turn at the graveyard.
Yep.
Another graveyard.
One graveyard earlier.
Can you pull over so I can check the directions in this cemetery?
That's where the zombies break out of the ground.
Back to the present graveyard.
Yeah, that's the graveyard.
Yep, I know. That's the mayor.
I think that's a zombie from the graveyard. Graveyards are a theme for our trips.
Back to the past graveyard.
Really? You click that, that's where we are.
This is where we are. It is a cemetery.
Now back to the good part.
That's cool. So, it does sound good.
Happy 4th of July. Same to you.
Right on.
Got some good weather here.
Yeah,
How's the water?
It's okay this year. The beach is awesome. It's flat.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down and check it out. We're not gonna go swimming probably tonight, but here you go. Thank you. If you don't like it, don't pour it out. So I'll probably do it. Oh shit!
Hey, you finally catch it way back in the trees, huh?
Way back there, finally. It tastes like beer, actually.
Me try.
It's like a shrub. It's like a vinegar drink.
Oh yeah, this is like beer flavor.
Yeah, it's like beer
if someone gave you like a
flavored
beer
apple.
flavored jelly bean, that's what it would taste like.
Yeah. All right. Let's check this shiznit
There's
out.
lots of kids.
Lots of kids. Yeah, well, Luna kind of disappeared, so I'm sure there's somebody keeping her busy.
Time to check out the beach situation. I mean, it's kind of the main attraction of the trip. Getting down there is a workout, but totally worth it.
Oh yeah, you can see the fish in the water. I like having them to ourselves. Well, I expected to get here early enough to like do some swimming, but I guess that's not what the plan is.
Probably not today.
Not that I was going to swim, but probably Luna was going to swim.
Well, she may still want to tonight.
All right, it's going to be cold, I bet.
Let's see how bad this is. Oh, this is like how it was in Wisconsin. She's gonna swim.
All right.
She'll swim no problem. This is not bad.
All right.
Yeah, she doesn't mind. This is like high school pool.
All right, let's see. Beach inspection complete? Check. Long stair climb back up? Check. We heard the next plan was to eat dinner, and I was all for that. Our host took us to a local restaurant called Doc's, or Sauble River Inn, or maybe Doc's Sauble River Inn. Don't ask me, I'm just a fib.
But you know how that goes. Like, great, I may get my glasses that are horrible, and I see. And I might have headache for a week.
I've already eaten 2 fries, but this is what it looks like.
Minus 2 fries. Well, 3 actually.
You just ate my fry!
Well, they're really our fries.
They're our fries.
Oh.
All right, fry burglar. Anyway, back to the beach. The sunset was spectacular, as I'm about to explain in 3, 2, 1. Now that is a sunset. Hey, what's up?
Hi, I'm getting sand in my sleeve.
Oh yeah?
A heck of a lot.
Dead fish. Is this your new job? Look at you.
There you go.
In the sunset, raking up dead fish. some like sardine factory just blew up right here.
Yeah, so I figure I'm gonna stick them in a pile here. I'm gonna dig a hole and bury them like I did at the other place. So.
All right.
You guys were good. And then he had to drive 6 hours.
Right.
It is morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I will sit right there. I sat in a chair. And then Luna came out and everything went crazy.
And that's what the poop is the fan.
Are you cold?
No.
Are you just a velociraptor?
She's a walrus or something. Penguin, maybe?
Velociraptor. T-Rex?
I'm a T-Rex.
Yep.
Back to the beach.
Yo, what's up?
Yo. Ah.
Walking.
It's a bit colder than yesterday, but I got used to it.
It's a bit colder?
Yeah.
It is really cold. Woo!
You have to get used to it. Oh my god. Ah! Indoor water park commercial thing. Indoor water park commercial thing.
Sure.
Everybody's happy in the water.
Mm-hmm. And then the rest of the group showed up. It's over me. Okay, that was fun. But now the fireworks are going to start flying. Literally.
Can I have some?
Maybe keep
I
it
want
your
a
own.
packet.
Get your own.
Oh, I got a fresh packet.
People's
They're more delicate than I remember.
Throw them at people's face.
Yeah, throw it at their face, throw it at their chest.
Go.
This is my impression of eating Frosted Flakes.
Only louder.
Thank you.
Oh, still going. All right.
You alright?
Yeah.
And with the kitty stuff out of the way, we went back down to the beach to like the big stuff. No, not this. This is a balloon.
Top feels completely fine.
That's looking really great, guys.
Ooh,
I
it's
think you're gonna get it
lifting.
far.
Maybe let her go.
Let her go.
Yeah.
Bye.
That was a good one.
That was a good one, guys. Now hit it with a rocket. Hit it with a rocket.
You got that blanket?
I got the sippy sippy.
okay? I have no idea what happened.
Yeah, he totally knows what happened. But anyway, let's watch that again in glorious slow motion. Wow. That one ended up in the crowd. Whoa. You okay?
Tired. We're tired.
No, I mean, did you survive the assault?
Yeah. We survived the big threat.
Yeah. Pole position. Actually, it's Atari Night Driver. It's really like hazy though.
I don't know what Night Driver looks like.
That's because
it came out when I was your age.
The next morning later.
Day 3 at the beach, Lake Michigan. It's freaking cold. I am not going in the water today, but the ladies are much more brave than I am. Even the kids are more brave than I am. I'm too chicken to go into the water. I'm just gonna chill here on the beach all day. I'm not gonna go in the water. I'm gonna drink some of this stuff. It's apple cider. Happy 4th of July to me. I did way too much stuff last night. Too much work, videoing fireworks and stuff. So today is my chill out day. Boop. As you can see, I've changed my hat just to try it out, see what it's like. Haven't been able to use it much. I've also got my Now Outdoor sticker on my water bottle. I got water from Lake Michigan, filtered it with a Grail filter, and dropped a, what do you call it, electrolyte thing inside it. It's the greatest. We used to come here and used to be like drinking was like, oh, we gotta go upstairs, all those stairs to freaking get something to drink. And now I can just go right to the lake. It's awesome. It's awesome.
I can't feel my legs, they're so cold.
I can't feel my legs.
I can't feel my legs.
Greatest invention ever.
Agreed.
Boop. I got my other hat back on again. I let Kate use the one I was just wearing. She's out in the water with it right now. Boop. I took my hat off. It's a little too humid for a hat. Whew. Yeah, hats don't help. Don't help right now. Boop, boop, boop.
Stopped at the Dollar General and I got 3 rolls of pepper.
Computer screen off, sunscreen on.
Up the long staircase later.
This is the deck where you can look out over the water. You can look out over the water and look cool like this. This is me looking cool, looking out over the water from the deck. See how cool I am?
There we go. Now we're getting some big guys.
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice one. Look at that one.
It's a GoPro war.
Yeah, it looks good.
Good man right there.
I need the LA Marcher. Head turn. Once I get food, shrimp boil.
It is starting to rain a little bit, so I'm packing up my stuff from the beach. This 4th of July might be over. Look at the drops. Look at them drops. Those are drops. 2 days of fun in the sun, and now it's raining. Check out behind me. It's raining, it's storming. I don't know. I don't think this is going away.
I don't think so either, but...
Look at those swells. They gotta be at least 3 inches. Oh, it's definitely worse coming from that direction. Got a rain jacket on.
What about the sand?
Well, you can do whatever, just as long as you have a raincoat on.
Give me the other frisbee.
That's what I can understand.
It's pretty cold down there, just so you know.
Yeah, I don't think I could go in the water.
Not going in the water. The water is stormy and cold. All our stuff is picked up. And we're all packed up and ready to go. But we don't have to go. We're just gonna hang out. Wow, looks like the wind blew over some chairs. You got the right idea in the blanket. That's a good idea. I just wanna look at the storm.
Like, let's play again, but without you having to look away.
Okay, I'll look at the storm. Watch this. I'm gonna sit. Oh, this is the greatest game ever. I love your footprints. So like I said, I'm just chilling out today. I kind of have to. I saved the army man.
Hey. Dressed for the occasion. We are Devo.
We are Devo. It is really, really nice under here. I'm dry. Hello.
Well, this is lovely.
I like it. Come to join me on this rainy porch.
I'm glad we decided to go back to the hotel though. This kind of sucked being outside though.
Oh yeah. This is pretty cool. I'm liking it.
I like it.
I got my coconut water. Oh, mosquitoes are pretty bad. Maybe I want to get my, I think I might want to get my lamps, my mosquito lights out here. It was a great
4th of July
weekend.
Yep,
Yay.
we didn't die.
High five.
We almost died, but we didn't die.
Yeah, epic battle, epic assault, fireworks assault.
No, we need it.
Now we're just sitting out on a porch under an awning.
In the rain.
In the rain on the 4th of July. It's not
Just
even
like our forefathers.
Just like our forefathers. Because yeah, I noticed like right away the bugs disappeared, and it's because they all went into these things already. They're like going, ow, 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 that hurt, that hurt, that hurt. Look at the carnage. Jesus Christ. Wow. These guys have almost nothing. These guys are killing it. Literally killing it.
Another next morning later.
July 5th. We had a great time, but it was time to hit the road and hit the gas pump. Or rather, the gas pump hit me. But there was still one stop we needed to make before leaving Michigan. We come here every year.
Chip.
Sucking down a chili dog. outside the Green Acres Market.
I can get a chili dog.
All right, sucking down a blueberry donut.
Maui.
Doodly doo.
Blueberry.
Blueberry soda, blueberry donut.
Or Green Acres.
At Green Acres.
Fibs.